Good evening. This is Saraf from Majumdar News. Alabama has long been recognized as one of the states most affected by thunderstorm-related wind damage. Recent analyses highlight a combination of geographical positioning, climatic conditions, and unique storm patterns that contribute to this heightened vulnerability. Geographically, Alabama's location in the southeastern United States places it at the crossroads of warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cooler air masses descending from the north. This convergence often results in severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds. Additionally, Alabama is part of Dixie Alley, a region known for a high frequency of tornadoes and intense storm activity. Climatically, Alabama experiences a humid subtropical environment, leading to approximately 50 to 60 thunderstorm days annually, surpassing the national average. The state's warm temperatures and high humidity create an atmosphere conducive to the development of powerful storms. Seasonal variations also play a role, with spring and summer bringing severe thunderstorms, while fall and winter are marked by potent cold fronts. Moreover, tropical systems moving inland from the Gulf often bring additional threats of tornadic activity and straight-line winds. The types of damaging wind events prevalent in Alabama include straight-line winds, derechos, and tornado-induced winds. Straight-line winds resulting from downdrafts in thunderstorms can exceed 100 mph, causing extensive property damage. Derechos, characterized by widespread and long-lived windstorms associated with fast-moving severe thunderstorms, have also been recorded in the state. Furthermore, Alabama averages about 44 tornadoes annually, with their associated winds contributing significantly to the state's wind damage profile. Understanding these factors is crucial for residents and policymakers to develop effective preparedness and mitigation strategies against thunderstorm-related wind damage in Alabama. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into weather patterns affecting our region.